Hello, ladies and gents! Since you finally decided to record your squeaky voice in Adobe Audition, I'll show you an easy way to do it. So here we are. You can use two tabs, depending on your task. The first, waveform, is needed to work with one track, and the second, multi-track, to work with more than one track, as you might guess. Let's study today the first option, so as not to bore you. When you click on this tab, or you can open it from here, the program asks you about preferable settings of your future track. The final quality depends on the equipment you are recording on. If you're watching this to post something, let's say on YouTube, God forbid, then choose the same settings as on my screen. This will be enough. And here everything is simple. Click on this red button and it will start recording. And this button is for stopping recording. If you want to cut out some parts of your record, just select them with the mouse and press delete. You can also increase or decrease the volume of the entire track or parts of it. Choose what you need, press this icon, and move your mouse up or down. At the end, let's save our record. Click File and then Save As. Enter the file name you want. And its location. Format. You can choose WAV if you need the best quality of your recording, or MP3 if you don't claim much. And then click OK. That's basically all, if in a nutshell to answer the question in the title of the video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel if you want our videos to be the first in your search results. See you.